Hey everybody! Today we're going to instantly boost your default text font scaling in Windows 11 for much better readability without breaking your screen resolution. Tiny text is an absolute nightmare for long programming sessions or dense data tables, so let's make your entire operating system easier to read right now. First, click the Start button and select Settings. Look at the navigation sidebar menu and click on Accessibility. Over on the right side, under the Vision group, click on the very first option labeled Text Size. Look at the text size slider bar in the middle of the panel. Drag the dot to the right to increase the percentage scaling based on the live preview box right above it. Boosting it between 115% and 130% is usually the absolute sweet spot for maximum comfort without clipping your desktop layouts. Once you find your perfect size, click the Apply button right next to the slider. The screen will flash blue for a split second with a Please Wait message as Windows dynamically scales up every font across your apps, menus, and file systems automatically. And that's it. Your system text is now perfectly sized and highly readable. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.